Hi everyone, welcome back to this tutorial on converting Python code to JavaScript. Today we'll be discussing how to take a Python code and convert it into JavaScript so that it can be run in a web browser or on a Node.js server. First, let's take a look at a simple Python code that prints the even and odd numbers up to a given number. This code takes an input n and generates all numbers from 1 to n. It then uses the modulo operator to check if a number is even or odd. If the result of I module 2 is 0, the number is even and added to the even numbers list. Otherwise, it is added to the odd numbers list. Finally, both lists are returned and printed. Let us test this first. Now, let's convert this Python code to a JavaScript code and test whether this will work. In your web browser, navigate to chat.openai.com. I've already signed up. Create a new chat room. I'll go ahead and request that CHAT GPT convert this Python code to JavaScript. To paste your code, press Shift plus Enter to move the cursor to the next line. Wait for CHAT GPT to convert your code. This will take only a few seconds to create. Copy and paste syntax into your IDE or run code in the console of your web browser. I'll be running this JavaScript code through the web browser's console. Right-click an empty spot and select Inspect. Switch to the console and paste your JavaScript code. Press Enter to run code. It works just like the Python code. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.